Good morning, everyone. 12th class accountancy period. And thought of the day for is we can't change our future, but we can change our habits. We can't change our future, but we can change our habits. Surely, our habits will change our future. Surely, our habits will change our future. And that I think that exactly applies on the young generation because a bright future is ahead for you people. And if you are going to change your habits, future is not in your hand, as future is uncertain. We have already studied in business studies. But by changing our habits, we can change our future. Future is in not our hand, but our habits are in our hand. Okay. So tomorrow, A section, 12th A section, roll number 1 is going to speak the thought. So in just 2 minutes, we will be taking a revision of the previously done entries because only then you will be able to understand today's topic. So we have started with the share capital, issue of shares, and I told you that shares can be issued in two manners, issue for cash and issue for consideration other than cash. And we were doing issue for cash. And issue for cash, the shares can be issued for three terms, three conditions. First at par, second at premium, two conditions only because discounts are not there in shares, that is in only in debentures. Issue for at par, then issue at premium. Okay, issue at par. Par means face value of the share. Suppose the face value means the price of the share. Market price, not the market price, the price written on the face of the share certificate is known as face value. And share can be issued in lump sum as well as in installments. Okay, and premium means more than the face value. Suppose a share is of rupees 10 rupees and we are issuing it for 12, so 2 rupee will be premium. And the basic journal entry, I told you that first entry at the time of, if we are going to issue the shares in lump sum, then the two entry will be there. Anybody has revised the entry? You can just raise your hands. I will be unmuting you, and you can give me the answer for the two journal entries which are passed at the time when the shares are issued in lump sum. Only two entries are passed at that time. When the shares are issued in lump sum, only two. Yes. Anyone is interested to tell me which two entries? Yes, Vaibhav. Very good. Yes, I have unmuted you, Vaibhav. Please tell me.
Ma'am, first entry will be bank account debit to share application, and second is share application debit to share capital to security premium reserve.
Okay, I have not talked about the premium till now. And one more thing, Weber, both the entries are correct, but I think you have skipped one thing. I told you that shares are issued in lump sum. Lump sum. Only two entries are there. So when two entries are there, we need to open a joint account. Which joint account? याद आ रहा है कुछ वैभव आपको? Yes, very good, Priyanshi. Yes, bank account debit to share application and allotment account. Very good. Share application and allotment account. Because when shares are issued in lump sum, then there will be no allotment. At the time of application, only the allotment will be there. No other call will be there. So the first entry will be bank account debit to share application and allotment account. Joint account we need to open in lump sum. Very good, Varun. Then second is share application and allotment account debit to share capital. Share application and allotment account debit to share capital. These two entry will be passed when the shares are issued in lump sum. Second, in installment, what will be the first two entries in installment? First installment is known as application. So what will be the two entries when shares are issued in installment? Yes, Anushka Bansal, I have unmuted you.
Yes, ma'am.
Could you please tell me the first two entries when the shares are issued in installments? Application के time की दो entries बताइए.
Ma'am, first entry will be bank account debit to share application account.
Very good. Second.
And the second entry will be share application account debit to share capital account.
Yes, very good. Both the entries are displayed on the screen. These are the first two entries. But as the share, yes, Varun Bhatia, allotment will not be there because share application and allotment will be there only when the lump sum is there. Here we are not talking about the lump sum amount. Yes, Anshika Agarwal, I am unmuting you. Please tell me the next two entries. Next installment is known as. After application, the next installment is known as what? Anmol, I'm going to unmute you, Anmol Arora. What is the name of the next installment? After application, what is the name of next installment? First, tell me this thing.
Ma'am, amount due on allotment.
Very good.
Some allotment.
Yes. Tell me next two entries, please.
मैम एक तो एंट्री होती है शेयर्स अलॉटमेंट अकाउंट डेबिट टू शेयर्स कैपिटल.
In this entry, we
Very
are
first
just
end.
making the amount due. Okay. Here we are making
Yes.
the amount due. It means we are demanding
Due.
the amount from the shareholders. Okay. Next.
और मैम इसकी रिसीट की एंट्री होती है बैंक अकाउंट डेबिट टू शेयर्स अलॉटमेंट अकाउंट.
Very good. Very good, Anmol. Bank account. So, Anshika, are you able to understand the entries now? Bank account debit to share application is the first entry. Second, bank account share application to share capital. Third entry, making the allotment due. Share allotment account debit to share allotment account debit to share capital. Don't see these entries. This is the different question. I'm just telling you the general entries. Okay. Fourth entry, we will be receiving the allotment money, and the entry will be bank account debit to share allotment. Okay. Next, Anushka Kothari. I'm going to unmute you better. What is the third installment called?
Ma'am, share application first call.
Installment is share application. Second installment is share allotment. And third installment is call money. And if there is fourth installment also, then that is known as the second call. First call money, then second call money. First call money, then second call money. So first call money, could you please tell me the entry for first call money making due?
I'm share first money
Very
to
good.
capital.
Very good. Second entry, it is the due entry.
Bank account debit to first call.
Yes, very good. Bank account debit to first call. Suppose the share value is 10 rupees and we have divided this 10 rupees in different calls, like on application 3 rupees, on allotment 3 rupees, first call 2 rupees, and second call again 2 rupees. The total is 10. So it is up to the company that whether the company is going to demand the whole amount at once. If the whole amount is demanded at once, then the first entry which we have discussed, bank account debit to share application and allotment, then there will be only two entries. Share application and allotment. Second entry, share application and allotment account debit to share capital. Finally, the amount will be in bank account and the share capital account. All the call account, whether it is application account or the allotment account or the first call account, are just open with a purpose to receive that money. And as soon as that money is received, that account will be closed. If we have credited it, then it will be debited. And if we have debited it, then it will be credited. Yes. Next. Harshita, I am unmuting you, beta. Yes, Harshita.
Ma'am, first entry होगी share second call account debit to share capital account, and second bank account debit to share second
Very good.
call account.
Yes, these entries are very much easy. I am unable to understand that why you people are not doing this chapter seriously. I told you this chapter is very important. It has a weightage of 12 to 15 marks. And you people are not taking it seriously. All these entries we have done, I have taken, I think 4 or 5 classes just to cover up all these entries. But still, these are the very easy entries, nothing else. I told you that one entry will be the bank entry and the other entry will be the due entry. But you people are not giving me answer. It's really disappointing for me. Beta, you will be having a great loss please try to understand you are in a board class and this class matters a lot. So if other class students are not taking the classes seriously, then it may be okay for them, but it is not okay for you, because you are in board class and it's a 12th class career making class. So please be attentive and revise the concepts, solve the questions, because we cannot say till when the schools will remain closed. हो सकता है कि आपका सितंबर तक भी क्लोज रहे स्कूल, तो आप क्या करेंगे फिर? सारा कुछ आप ये सोचकर बैठे हो कि बाद में हो जाएगा? प्लीज। और अगर आपने सोच लिया है कि आपने कुछ करना ही नहीं है तो फिर कोई फायदा नहीं है उसका। आप जस्ट आ जाते हैं, क्लास को ज्वाइन कर लेते हैं और उसके बाद फिर आप, कुछ बच्चे तो क्लास मुझे नहीं लगता कि सुनते भी हैं। लाइक अभी मैंने अंशिका शर्मा को बोला, तो she had not given me any answer, single answer. Many times I have taken her name, but every time she is silent. So I have assumed that she is never attending classes. She has just joined and doing whatever she wants. If you are not able to connect with the audio, but in writing you can give me answer at the same time so that I can understand that your audio is not working. But if you people are not giving me answer in writing too, it means you were not there. And we have already sent your attendance to CBSE till May. And we have marked your attendance in attendance registers. So make sure these attendance matters a lot for you people. And maybe CBSE is also going to give this year marks for attendance, online attendance. So make sure submission of assignments, attendance, for everything in the next year boards, you are going to get marks, because this is the plan of CBSE. Some points it has already shared. That's why I told you to do all your assignments and all your works in the notebooks. So all you have to take notebooks from the school, because anytime we have to send all those your notebooks to the CBSE, because due to this situation we cannot say whether the next year boards will be there or not. So they have made a plan that the marks will be allotted to you people on the basis of your online test, online assignment submission, as well as the hard copy must be there with every student. Whatever you are submitting online, there must be a hard copy with you people in a complete neat and clean format. So everyone has to buy a notebook, and from July onwards you have to do all the work on the notebooks. So I have left a message in the school group also. So you please till Friday you have the time to buy and just start doing all the chapters like you earlier you were doing in school. So the second case is, coming back to the topic, the second case is the premium. In premium we have to credit the premium with the installment with which we are getting the premium. So I told you that premium means over and above the prices. Like the share is of rupees 10 and we are selling it at 12. So 2 rupees is the premium. So one more thing I told you about premium, that premium can be taken with any of the installment, or it can be split. Like 2 rupees premium is there, so one you can take along with the application and the other one you can take along with the allotment. So how many times you are taking the premium, that will be credited that much, that many times. Suppose you have taken premium with application and allotment. So in the application entry, this entry, second, share application account debit to share capital to SPR, a new account will be opened. That account is known as Securities Premium Reserve account, to SPR. Then again the premium account we have taken with allotment, then share allotment account debit to SPR to share capital. Then the bank account debit to share. So one thing you have to remember, share application account is credited once, then it is debited. So this account is opened to receive the application money, and as soon as the application money is received, it will be closed. So we all know very well that the amount with which an account is opened, with the same amount, that account will be closed. Okay. जितने से आपका अमाउंट ओपन हुआ है उतने से ही आपका अमाउंट क्लोज भी होगा. सो शेयर एप्लीकेशन क्रेडिट 10 lakh एंड डेबिट 10 lakh. देन शेयर अलॉटमेंट डेबिट 10 lakh एंड क्रेडिट 10 lakh. ओके, बिफोर गोइंग टू टुडेज टॉपिक, एक हम जस्ट रिवाइज कर लेते हैं एक क्वेश्चन. हम रिवाइज कर लेते हैं. So I am giving you one question. Wait a minute. So just note down one question, students, for a quick revision. Write down. A company has issued 5,000 shares. Write fast. Company has issued 5,000 shares. Payable as application 3 rupees. Payable as application 3 rupees. Allotment 2 rupees. Application 3, allotment 2, first call 3, and balance on final call. Application 3, allotment 2, first call 3, and balance on final call. Pass the necessary journal entries. All the amount was duly received. Total 8 entries will be there. Do it fast. I am giving you just 2-3 minutes time. This is a very simple question. For a quick recap, we are doing this question. So do it fast. 8 entries will be there. I am waiting for your answer and all the entries I have discussed. 5,000 shares issued by the company. Application 3, allotment 2, first call 3, and the balance on final call. Balance on final call. Balance means how much is the balance on final call? So what is the amount of final call? Please tell me. What is the amount of final call? Yes, 2. Very good. 3 is the application. 2 is the allotment. 3 plus 2, 5. 3 is the first call. 5 plus 3, 8. The share was of rupees 10. So the balance is rupees 2. That will be demanded on the first final call. Second and final call. Have you done? Okay, very good. So, Thira, I am going to unmute you. Yes, Thira. It means, Thira, you are not present over there. Yes, Vaibhav, I am unmuting you. Yes, Vaibhav. Yes, Vaibhav, I have unmuted you, beta.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Tell me the first 4 entries.
Bank account debit to share application
Yes.
debit to share capital, and share allotment debit to share capital, and fourth bank account debit
With
to
amount.
share allotment.
With amount, Vaibhav.
मैम अमाउंट की मैम मुझे प्रॉब्लम हो रही है, अमाउंट समझ नहीं आ रहा.
बोलो बोलो क्या प्रॉब्लम हो रही है, जब बताओगे तभी फिर मैं बता पाऊंगी ना आपको क्या प्रॉब्लम हो रही है. प्लीज टेल मी.
मैम शेयर्स तो मैम 5,000 के है, तो मैम इनमें मैम कैसे डिफरेंशिएट करें अमाउंट का?
नहीं, जो जितना इंस्टॉलमेंट पे जो अमाउंट है उस अमाउंट से करेंगे ना बेटा. लाइक फर्स्ट इंस्टॉलमेंट एप्लीकेशन है ना, तो एप्लीकेशन पर कितना अमाउंट है? एप्लीकेशन कितना बोला मैंने? हाँ 3. सो 5,000 into 3. So the number of share is same for the whole of the installments. Okay, and we will be multiplying it with the installment money given in the question. So 5,000 shares are issued and the price of one share is 10. The 10 rupees we are taking in 4 installments. Okay, so the first,
yes ma'am,
first installment is application. So 5,000 into 3, 15,000. So bank account debit to share application 15,000. सेकेंड एंट्री, जितने से आपका एप्लीकेशन अकाउंट ओपन हुआ है उतने से ही क्लोज होगा. सो सेकेंड एंट्री विल बी डन विद द सेम अमाउंट. शेयर एप्लीकेशन अकाउंट डेबिट विद 15,000 टू शेयर कैपिटल 15,000. नाउ टेल मी प्लीज थर्ड एंट्री अगेन विद अमाउंट.
शेयर अलॉटमेंट डेबिट टू शेयर कैपिटल 10,000.
वेरी गुड. नेक्स्ट फोर्थ एंट्री,
बैंक अकाउंट डेबिट टू शेयर अलॉटमेंट 10,000.
वेरी गुड. शेयर फर्स्ट कॉल. So what will be the entry for share first call? हाँ जी शुभांगी, चलिए बताइए नेक्स्ट 4 entries.
Yes ma'am.
Next 4 entries.
First, share first call account to share capital account 15,000.
Very good.
Bank account to share first call account 15,000.
Yes, very good. Last 2 entries for second call.
Share final call account to share capital account 10,000.
Very good.
Bank account to share final call account 10,000.
Yes, very good. And moreover, I told you also one thing, that every time, like in this question, you can see that I have shown the multiplication. So in every transaction, every journal entry, you have to show this multiplication for your easiness. उससे आपका क्वेश्चन गलत नहीं होगा और आपके माइंड में क्लैरिटी रहेगी कि अमाउंट कैसे आएगा डेबिट और क्रेडिट में, कैसे आएगा कि जितने नंबर ऑफ शेयर इशूड है और जितने के लिए एप्लीकेशन आए हैं उसको मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे किससे, कॉल मनी से, जो भी आपका कॉल मनी है उस प्रॉपर इंस्टॉलमेंट का मनी है। लाइक अगर एप्लीकेशन 3 है तो 3 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, अगर आपका अलॉटमेंट 4 है, हम अलॉटमेंट की एंट्री कर रहे हैं तो 4 से करेंगे। ओके, चलो अब आज का टॉपिक पे मैं आ रही हूँ। ये सारा मैंने आपको लगभग आधे से ज्यादा क्लास पिछला टॉपिक रिवाइज करने में लगाया। चलिए ये वाला क्वेश्चन, चलो स्टार्ट डूइंग दिस क्वेश्चन। So New India Limited was registered with a capital of rupees 1 crore. Registered, it means जब कंपनी ने अपना कैपिटल क्लोज बनाया तो उसमें registered capital is that capital which a company can issue during its lifetime. Now it is not necessary that the whole of the capital is issued at once. So company is going to bifurcate this registered capital in installments. So out of this total capital, it has issued 20,000 shares. In the next line it is written. So registered capital, yes Azam, very good. It is also known as authorized capital. Very good Azam. So अब आप उसको 1 करोड़ का कैपिटल जरूरी नहीं है कि सारा एक ही साथ इशू कर देंगे, उसमें से एक पार्ट आप इशू करते हैं, दैट कैपिटल इज नोन एज इशूड कैपिटल। तो आपने रजिस्टर्ड कैपिटल को कोई यूज नहीं करना है क्वेश्चन में, जर्नल एंट्रीज में कोई यूज नहीं होगा। ओके, it issued a prospectus inviting applications for 20,000 shares. It means the question will be with 20,000 at 40% premium. 40% premium means we have to find out the 40% of the face value. First try to understand the question before starting doing it. So 40% of the face value. Face value is given above in the above line, which is 100 each. So 40% of 100 each, 40 rupees. Means face value 40 rupee, 100 rupees share you are selling at a premium of 40 rupees. It means the total value of the share is 140 rupees. 100 is the share capital and 40 is the premium. So this 140 amount is bifurcated, you can see in the question, in 4 installments: application, allotment, first call and second call. And I told you one more thing, that premium can be demanded at once in lump sum only with 1 installment, or it can be bifurcated with 2 installment, with 3 installment, with 4. It is depending on the articles of association of the company. Articles of association of the company. It is depending on articles of association of the company. Okay, so first call. So just try to do the first 2 entries first. Application rupees 50. Out of this 50, 10 is premium. So for premium, we need to open SPR account. Okay, you can see that this SPR is bifurcated in 4 installments: 10 with application, 10 with allotment, 10 with first call and 10 with final call. And one more thing I told you, that if it is not mentioned in the question that premium is demanded with which call, then it is assumed that premium is demanded with what? Could you please tell me? I have already told this. If question is silent about the premium, then what we will assume? Yes, very good Harshita. Yes, Anushka, very good. Priyanshi, you all are gems in my class. Toshit, Anushka Kotari, every time ready. It means ever ready. You all are ever ready batteries for me. Yes, Anmol Arora, very good. So whenever the question is silent about the premium, then we will assume that it is called up with the allotment. But if it is mentioned in the question, then you are going to open the SPR account only with that call only. Okay. So first do the first 2 entries better. First entry of application, first 2 entry. Share application में 50 जाएगा क्योंकि एप्लीकेशन का 50 अमाउंट है. बट जब हम सेकेंड एंट्री करेंगे तो 10 रुपीज से आपका SPR अकाउंट ओपन होगा और 40 बैलेंस आपका जो है कैपिटल में चला जाएगा. जस्ट डू द फर्स्ट 2 एंट्रीज फास्ट. अभी फिर मैं अनम्यूट कर दूंगी आप में से ही किसी को टू आस्क फॉर द फर्स्ट 2 एंट्रीज, इसलिए मैं पूरा क्वेश्चन एक साथ नहीं दे रही हूँ. आई हैव गिवन यू जस्ट 2 एंट्रीज. हाँ जी, हैव यू डन फर्स्ट 2 एंट्रीज? 20,000 शेयर्स हैं. 20,000 multiplied by 50. Yes, Naman Jain. Have you done? I'm going to unmute you, Naman. Yes, Naman, I have unmuted you. Okay, कर लो. Take your time. Just 2 entries you have to do. Kashish, have you done? Yes, Kashish, have you done? Okay, I have unmuted you, Kashish. Kashish, I have unmuted you.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Please tell me the first 2 answer of first 2 entries. Journal entry बताइए. First 2.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, first entry will be bank account debit to equity share application account.
Very good.
और ma'am amount होगा 10 lakh.
50 into 20. Yes.
Yeah, ma'am 50 shares को 50 और उसको into.
Yes. Second entry.
Second entry application equity share application account debit to equity share capital account and to SPR security.
SPR, हाँ, securities premium reserve account. Okay, please tell me the amount.
Ma'am, equity share application का तो 10 lakh.
Yes,
and,
very good.
Share capital का share का amount जो 20,000 into 40 कर देंगे.
40. Very good.
जो application.
Very good. So premium वाले question
premium
में.
का 10 rupees.
Yes. This will be the answer. You can see in first 2 entries. This will be the first 2 entries. Bank account debit. So you have to show like this in multiplication form. 50 into 20, 10 lakh. Equity share application account debit 50 into 20, 10 lakh. Now 50 is the total application money in which 10 rupees is SPR. So 10 will be going to SPR and the balance amount will be written in share capital. So this is the way in which you have to deal with the securities premium questions. Okay. Now the allotment. Come back to the question. In allotment 40. Okay. So just do the entries. थोड़ा सा fast करो बेटा. बहुत time ले रहे हो आप लोग. Do the next 2 entries for allotment fast. और अगर किसी ने कर लिए तो प्लीज मुझे बता दो, मैं उसको अनम्यूट कर देती हूँ so that he or she can tell to others. और जिसकी आगे हो जाए वो आगे भी कर सकता है. Don't wait for my instructions. Allotment. Anyone has done the 2 entries for allotment? Please tell me anyone has done. Yes बेटा, yes और no तो बोल ही सकते हो ना कि आपने किया है नहीं किया है. Yes मिताली. चलिए बताइए next 2 entries allotment वाली.
Equity share allotment account debit to equity share.
Yes.
Equity share capital.
Very
and
good.
To
SPR. Yes, to SPR. Now tell me allotment में कितना आएगा, SPR में कितना आएगा, capital में कितना आएगा, fast.
Allotment में 8 lakh और
Very good.
share capital में
6
6
lakh
और उसमें 2 lakh.
हाँ, इतना टाइम क्यों लगा रहे हो बेटा आप लोग? इट्स वेरी सिंपल क्वेश्चन. अभी तो डिफिकल्ट हमने किया ही नहीं है. नाउ बैंक अकाउंट डेबिट टू इक्विटी शेयर अलॉटमेंट. यू कैन सी मैंने आपको एक ट्रिक भी बताया है कि जितने से अलॉटमेंट डेबिट होगा क्रेडिट भी उतने से ही होगा, बिकॉज वी हैव टू क्लोज दिस अकाउंट. सो बाय 8 lakh वी हैव डेबिटेड इट, सो इट विल बी क्रेडिटेड बाय द सेम अमाउंट 8 lakh. नाउ द नेक्स्ट एंट्री फॉर द फर्स्ट कॉल आई एम टेलिंग यू बिकॉज वेरी लेस टाइम इज लेफ्ट. इक्विटी शेयर फर्स्ट कॉल अकाउंट डेबिट 30 का फर्स्ट कॉल है. 30 into 20 6 lakh. Out of 30 now you have to again bifurcate it. 10 rupees is the SPR which is given. So 20 will be the share capital. So equity share capital 20 into 20 which is 4 lakh. SPR 20 into 10 which is 2 lakh. Next bank account debit to equity share first call. जितने से open उतने से ही close 6 lakh. Next equity share second and final call. Last call will be known as final call. 20 into 20,000 4 lakh. 20 का given है आपको क्वेश्चन में. Now this 20 will be bifurcated in share capital and SPR. So 20 into 10 2 lakh, then 20 into 10 2 lakh. Now the account will be closed with 4 lakh. So bank account debit to equity share maximum 8 entries because maximum 4 calls will be there. So in simple question maximum 8 entries can be there.